Peeps, Peeps, and more Peeps. You want to see what I'm going to do with these? Keep watching. Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm April, and this is my Crazy Creative Life Cooks. Have you ever seen those ridiculous cooking videos where when you start watching it, you're like, what are they doing? And you know it's absurd and they're probably just doing it for views. Well, when I first seen this video, that's kind of what I thought this was, but then I was on Pinterest kind of looking around, and actually I think it's something real. So we're going to try to make it today. It is Peeps Rice Crispy Treats. It doesn't take much ingredients. You've got your Peeps. You need about 20 Peeps, 16 to 20 Peeps. 4 cups of Rice Crispy Treats, and yeah, it's the Walmart brand. I drive my husband nuts. And a stick of butter, and you just bake it on 375 for 8 minutes, and that's it. So let's jump into it. Okay, you're just going to take your pan and spray it down with some Pam spray. If you don't have Pam spray, you can coat it down with butter, or you can even take some oil on paper towel and kind of wipe it down. And y'all heard me say this before, I like spraying this over top of the sink, that way it doesn't get it all in my floor. Okay, all we're going to do next is just add our Peeps. They're peeping through. After you get your Rice Krispie Treats in there, all you're going to do is add 6 tablespoons of butter. I think I said 1 stick and I was wrong in the beginning, but it's just 6 tablespoons of butter. Then we're going to put it in our oven. Our oven should be set at 375 for 8 minutes. That's it. And then we'll take it out and stir it and then let it cool. And here we go. Here they are now. We're going to pull them on out and stir them up real good. Okay, I'm going to finish stirring these and I'll be back. I actually had to stick them back in on my rack because they wasn't exactly, I mean they were pretty melted, but not completely melted, so I just set them back in the oven on the rack and stirred them, and then I shut the door for about another minute and stirred them a little bit more. I'm using parchment paper and I'm just kind of smushing it down, and then I'll let it cool. These are cooled down now, so I'm just gonna cut them. I like the middle. There you go. That is your Peeps Rice Krispie Treats. Tastes like a Rice Krispie treat. Well, there you have it, folks. Peeps Rice Krispie Treat, and they taste like a Rice Krispie treat. I don't really taste much Peeps in them, but they're still good. But they are pretty. As you can see, they're very colorful. And they're fun to make. Kids would love it. So, there you go. I hope you have a blessed Easter. I know it's almost here. It's fastly approaching upon us, especially this year. I don't know, it seems like it's going faster. But anyway, I hope you have a blessed Easter, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.